Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today is a short video. I would like to show you extra AB opal crystals that I purchased from AliExpress, because if you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember that in my last video I messed up and ordered the wrong size. By default it was SS6, but for us, for diamond painters, we need size SS10. So I went back to the store, reordered the colors in which I messed up, plus I ordered 3 more additional colors. So first of all, I ordered these gorgeous pink crystal ABs. Some of them are glow in the dark. This is lilac or lavender AB, opal AB. Yeah, this type of crystals is kind of weird. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful, and it is called Opal AB crystals. Very beautiful. Another color. These two are similar. They're a little bit off by the shade. I would say this one is darker and it has more of a I would say purple shade. This one is more blue. Then this aquamarine color. And the last one is the moonstone color. Beautiful. And I think this one is the one that glows in the dark. Let's go and see. So sorry again for the background. It's only 5 p.m. and it is bright outside. That is why bathroom is the only place which is dark. So let's memorize which ones are here, right? And we'll see which of them glow in the dark. Are you ready? The white one. Oh wow, okay, nice. White ones. Okay, so these ones glow in the dark. These ones, the white ones glow in the dark the most. And that's it, right? I don't see anything else. Okay, technically, yeah, these two colors. The blue one and the white one. Oh my god, this moonstone color is so gorgeous. So I will leave the link in the description box below. Please let me know what color you like the most. I mean, they're all very beautiful, but I think that my most favorite one is this one. Maybe that's because I love moonstone so much. So around $3 on AliExpress, and I will leave the link in case if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.